So I'm here today to share with you all this bob style lace front wig that I've been wearing lately, and to make sure that I have the name and the specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I'm rocking the Bobbi Boss Swiss Lace Premium Synthetic Wig. She's cold iron safe, she's flat iron safe, and she's made with 5 inches of deep Swiss lace parting. That parting, we're going to get into that parting. Okay, the style name is called MLF126. That's MLF126. This is what the packaging is going to look like. That is the model that is on the packaging, and this is what it's going to look like. Literally, when you whip it out of its packaging, this wig is effortlessly easy, okay? Yeah, effortlessly easy. All I had to do was cut the lace off this wig, add my face powder in on that parting space, and go. That was it. Now the wig does have a comb in the nape of the neck. She does come with a comb in the nape of the neck. She has 2 combs right here, one on each side, and that's because if you want to, you're actually able to cut this lace open, and then the wig will still be able to attach onto your hair or your head, whatever. You won't be, you know, you'll still be able to attach it. That's why it has the 2 combs right here. Now let's get into this parting space, honey. I mean, the real, I'm talking 5 inches right here, all the way to the center part top of my head. It is something serious. That parting space is everything. Let me tell y'all, I ain't had to do no tweezing. I ain't had to do no plucking. I ain't had to do no pull method on it. Nope, nope. What you see is what you're going to get. I did not do anything to get the length. I did not do anything to get the length or the width of this parting space. What you see is what you're going to get. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the only thing I did was add my face powder, you know, on the parting space, just to brighten it up so it can appear more visible. I cut the lace off of this bad boy, and that was it. Out the door, ready to go. This wig is everything. The hair texture, to me, it's a little bit, you know, on the yucky side, just a little bit. It ain't that serious, it's a little bit, but the hair moves like bundled hair, okay? It moves like bundled hair, baby. Look at that. This hair moves like bundled hair. It feels like bundled hair, okay? To the eye, it looks like bundled hair, but you want to know what? It's not gonna cost you like bundled hair would. Yeah, because I'm looking over here in this mirror, and I like what I'm seeing, which is why I'm uploading this video so you can like what you're seeing. Seriously, this wig is worth you dogs looking into, especially if you're interested in getting it. Snatch it, and I'm strongly encouraging you better snatch more than one of it, because you're gonna hate if you don't. Yeah, this here is all that. Let me show you the front, the back, and the side. So this is what she's looking like from the front. Yep, this is her from the front, nice and sleek, okay? This is the wig from the side. And what I'm loving also is, see how it's coming in a little on an angle? It's kind of giving me that little angle, like a blunt cut angle. Yeah, it's coming in on an angle. I'm liking that right there. This is her on the side. This is the wig from the back. This is what she's looking like from the back. Look at that flow. Like I said, she's moving, baby. This hair is moving. She's not stiff. She's not stiff. There you go from the back. This is the wig from the side. And this is her from the front. And like I told you, if you're going to get this wig, I do encourage that you get more than one. Because if you don't, and then you only get this one, you're going to be mad at yourself. I'm telling you. Seriously, I'm telling you. But on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video, because I'm in love with this hair, and I'm telling you, get more than one, because I got more than one, and I got more than 2. Yeah, I got more than just 2. On that note, seriously, for real, this just concludes the video. Now, if any of you might have was interested in my eye look that I'm wearing in this video, you know, the makeup look, the link to that will be down in the description box below. I do have a video out sharing how I achieved this makeup look using only drugstore products And if you're a newbie passing through and you're seeing this video for the very first time, welcome to the official Glam Dolls community. I encourage you to hit the subscribe button. Join in on an amazing official Glam Dolls community. They call me MzGlamourAddict here, or really they call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget. I love not breaking bank for a fabulous look, and I love sharing things that you don't gotta break your bank for. Seriously. But for real, this did just conclude the video. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget, we still got to stay socially connected. So please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.